Hi, good morning, guys. This is your Forex Queen RMS, and it's a AUD CAD daily chart. Okay, it's a daily chart. You can see here. I don't have any oscillator still here. So wait, I will remove this one. Okay, so for this, I'm adding an oscillator. Whichever oscillator you like, you can add it. Okay, so how I'm going to do an analysis. I'm not. It's just my I got this experience. I got this type of analysis skill from my experience only. So what I'm going to do is first I will minimize the chart. So if I minimize the chart, I will recognize some sort here, some first thing. I will take a cursor here. The price was rejected from this area, again this area, and it's a little bit lower than the previous one, this area. So there is some sort of area of interest. This is the area of interest where the price was trying to reject it from that level. Okay. So I will check in that weekly. So if I see the same range, it was acting as a support in the previous. See, in the year of 2016, in the year of 2016, 17 and 18, this range is acting as a support. But after once it break in 2018, it started acting as a resistance range. Okay. So it is acting as a resistance now. And once the price break this level, broke this area of interest. I will take a cursor here. See, once they broke this area of it was tried also, but it didn't break when in the downtrend stream, but it was tried. Then also it was tried when it broken. Then the market went down, and when the market break this area, then it went up. So finally, we will get another area of interest where the first area of interest is 0.966. Now it is acting as a resistance, but it was previously acted as a support. Okay, and another area 0.900, previously it was acting as a support, but once it break, it started to act as a resistance. Now also it is acting as some sort of support here. Okay, so in this area, we can't expect any trend here. We can't draw the trend line here. So I'm going to daily. In daily chart, I will minimize it. Okay, and I will add an oscillator. See, if you see this area, the market was in uptrend from the March 2022. It was kind of uptrend, and now it was some kind of, it was in ranging. It was some kind of ranging. Okay, see, and when this these two areas very interesting because the market was trying very hard in this range to break or to enter some other level, but it was not happening. This area, this, see, the market struggled so much here to break this level, but once it break, it went again, and it was again also it was trying to break this range, but it didn't break and it went again. So it, we can say it was moving like a range, one range to another range. We can't expect any channel here, but still we will try to put an channel here. Okay, so if I put this channel, it's look like upward. So I have a 1 and 2 and 3 points, support points, and 1 and 2, these are two resistance points and these are two support points, and it will make my uptrend channel. Okay, but what happened here, from the past, it's not exactly so. According to that, my analysis, the market must have to go up while touching this level of interest. In this, when the market touches this trend line, it should have to get back to the same range, or it have to continue in uptrend, but it's not happening like that. It broke my trend line. Then I thought, yeah, something is was going on here. Then what I did, I draw this triangle. I will show you in detail. See, it's a very detailed triangle. Once it break this level, you can see, once it was moving in ranging, this range. It was clearly saying it was moving in ranging. So once it break, I thought, yeah, now trend line also break, and my rectangular support also break. So I thought it was forming a downtrend here. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, I'm drawing in channel here. So that was, wait, I will tell you. Okay. So I just took this 2 point, this 1 point, and this 1 point, and this is my just trend line, support line. Okay, I will see. So these two trend line also broken. According to my analysis, it's a starting of downtrend movement. So I don't know how it will play. Like it may play like it will go like this or this. I'm not sure. But did I just assume maybe it will go and touch my this level. Yeah, according to me, because we lost all the possible things here. So it broke my uptrend support line, and it broke my rectangle support line. Now the only line it have the only emotion that it will come down and touch my downtrend support line. Then it will confirm my downtrend. Yeah, it will move like a downtrend. Okay. So like this we have to analyze the all the possible things which will happen in the future. Like that we have to draw. You don't have to draw like this, I just drawn all these things to show you people. That's it. If you draw like this, it will make a complicated chart. Don't mess it up more. Okay, just keep it very simple. So normally what I do, I will remove this uptrend because I know it was uptrend. So I will keep this only, this rectangle. Once it break, I know it will definitely touch my level. So you can expect, if you put your stop sorry sell harder here also, your stop loss should be this area of interest, this level, 0.95 70 range. You should be your stop loss, and your TP should be like 0.9420. Almost you can expect 60 pip down from this trade. So like that you have to see the which is your, you have to conclude, you have to decide which area of interest is good for your stop loss and which area of interest is good for your take profit. Don't do randomly. It's not a gambling. It everything here have a some sort of explanation here, and so it contains some sort of history and some sort of education here. It's not gambling. Okay, everything, we can't do a trade randomly, and we can't put random trades. Okay, so please be careful, and do a all the prospective analysis, like do analysis in 360 degree angle. Okay, don't take it decide and jump to it. See, I thought it's uptrend. No, it's not moving in uptrend, and I thought it was ranging in rectangle area. No, it's not. Actually, it was forming a some sort of support, downtrend. It's a starting. It's some kind of downtrend. Okay, so I will get that confirmation after breaking these two supports. So I'm going for a sell trade here. So this is my today analysis, guys, and thank you so much for your support. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to it, and if you like it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you have anything more, please comment it in the below comment box, and I will give the answers. And in the past video, that video went hit my stop loss. Sometimes it happens. I took a risk in that video because I wanted to show you how the fundamental will work, all those things. So this age, 0.9420 area is my stop TP, and 0.9570 level is my stop loss for this trade. And all the best, guys, and thank you so much for your all support, and thank you so much, guys.